Can you tell us a little bit about your team?
We are a new team made by young Indigenous players from and around Alice Springs. Most of our players played AFL. However, we wanted to form a school football team to compete in the 7A-side competition. We would like to keep learning and continue practicing the sport.
How has your season been to date, or how did you go with this group last season?
We participated for the first time in the 2016 7-a-side competition. We played 11 games, from which we won 2 games, draw 1, and lost 8 games. From 12 teams, we were in the 10th spot of the ladder.
What is it that attracted you to attend the Kanga Cup?
We would like to continue practicing the sport and learning more from it. We would like to participate in the Kanga Cup because it's an achievement from our training.
What is the best part of the week for your team at the Kanga Cup?
To learn more and socialize with other people and culture. We also want to visit touristic places but strongly show to others who we are. Does your team have any budding superstars to keep an eye on or characters to watch out for?
Yeah. We are new to the sport, but we are learning fast. One of our strengths is to believe in each other and play the team.
Have your team been to the Cup before? If so, what made you return?
We are participating for the first time. We are looking forward to compete and have fun.
It's a big logistical effort to get to the Kanga Cup. How did you manage it? Was there fundraising involved?
We brainstormed, identified, and estimated major costs for the fun of the trip to Canberra. We planned and have been undertaking fundraising activities such as cleaning our school, bus fleets, and collecting recycled material from our own places and around Alice Springs. Also, we applied for a couple of grants.
Are there any sponsors individual would like to thank for helping get your team to Kanga Cup?
To this day, we'd like to thank St. Joseph's Oxford Learning Centre staff for the support, Peter Devine from McDonald Shire, John Hamilton, Wilson, lawyers from Brisbane, Alice Springs Town Council.
Santa Claus Foundation.
What is it you are looking to gain from playing in the Kanga Cup?
We are looking forward to compete. We can't wait. We are hungry to learn new skills, but also show what we have and who we are. We hope to build new friendships and learn from each other.
What outside of the football are you most keen on experiencing in the Kanga Cup?
Socializing and showing others who we are.
Any players of note repute come from your club into the professional ranks?
We're new in the sports and we are learning fast. One of our more valuable strengths is that we believe in each other and play like a team.
Can you sum up in a few words why you've entered the Kanga Cup, and what would you say to others who may be thinking of entering?
Participating in the Kanga Cup is like a prize for our hard work, doing our best to play like a team. We want to put in practice, gain skills and knowledge from our training. We are looking forward to learn from others and represent with pride our community. To others going, let's have fun, to show others that we are thinking of entering. Come and join us. Let's have fun.
Does your team have any budding superstar to keep an eye on or character to watch out for?